Here once again. I discovered something this morning and I would like to share it with my followers. Cotp crash, Cotp network. Their problem is not, I don't think their problem is SMS. I will show you one video now that will convince you of what I'm talking about. Cotp, their problem is not XMS. If their problem is SMS, they would have solved it by now. They would have using email verification or Google Authenticator. I just saw one video online now that is saying something about all these cryptocurrencies, the problem the CEOs are having. So most of them disable the withdrawal authenticator, the withdrawal SMS and the withdrawal emails. Most of them disable it so that they will not lose their platform entirely. So if really that Cotp is having SMS issue, 1 week is more than enough for them to fix it. So I will be playing the video for you now to see what I'm talking about. But before I play the video, please, anything I'm saying on this channel, I'm just speaking my mind. Everybody has his or her own mind to speak. After explaining or showing you guys what I saw, I'm not convincing anybody. I'm not telling anybody that this network is real or fake. I don't know. I'm just saying what I know. But I'm just saying what I think is okay and what I think I want to say. So after playing this video, then you have to decide on what to do by yourself, because this Cotp, like I told you in my last video that I made, I said that after today that Cotp did not come back, that I will exit, I will delete the app and consider everything gone. But when I come across this video, I don't know, I became confused again. Like most of us are, many people are confused now. Many people have lost hope. Many people have moved on already. But some people, most of the investors on this Cotp now, most of them, majority of them in fact, borrowed money to do this thing. I know of a guy who sold his properties and still borrow more money to join. He invested about $5,000 to this platform, and now he has lost everything. Now, I consider everything lost because nobody is giving anybody hope again until today ends. So the video I'm about to play now, when you watch it, you will see that many company owners lost money according to the video. I'm just showing you what I saw, which I'm not too sure about. I'm not financial advice. I'm just saying what I saw, and I'm just speaking my mind too. And I thank God you have your own mind. You can reason by yourself. So once somebody tell you anything, you can reason by yourself. So if Cotp, for instance, is still confusing because most of the platforms, if they want to exit, they will not even give any reason. They will just shut down their platform. And secondly, if it is platform that has conscience, if they want to exit as well, they can start sending messages that they are having problem, that they will be giving one reason or the other, that people have hacked our website or blah blah blah, something like that. But I don't know. This thing is in, as in, people can use different formats to exit. So that is why you cannot say what will happen next. You can never say what will happen next. Just like Swapnext. Swapnext did almost the same thing. Now, look at where the investors are now. Everybody is crying. So let me play the video so that you see what I'm talking about. I'm coming, guys. that many lost billions of dollars. That is the reason why some platform decide to shut down, to disable their authentication, their verification, their SMS store, so that they will not lose entirely. That's what the guy is trying to say. So we don't know the one that is truth. We don't know anything. But why I played this video is to tell you that there are more confusions coming, more confusion. So like I said in my video, last video, I said everybody should move on. Stop hoping. Just move on. If anything eventually happens, thanks be to God, but just move on. That is my advice for now. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel. Remain blessed. Thank you.